Lumio's Group Workspaces enable student collaboration. To create a group workspace, select the page you want to use. Click the magic wand and choose Group Workspace. Rename the page as desired. Need to make changes? Click Edit Activity. Just a reminder, you'll need to reconvert the page to a group workspace when you're done editing. You can also convert a page into a group workspace during live delivery using the magic wand tool. Click Setup and choose the number of teams. At least 2 students need to be connected to the lesson for groups to be formed. Teams are randomized by default, but you can easily drag and move students to rearrange groups. When the teams are ready, select Start Workspace. Students select Resume to begin working on the page. Editing tools will appear in the toolbar. They can add text, write with the pen, add stickers, shapes, images, links, audio, or equations. To monitor progress, open any group workspace to view student work and provide immediate feedback in real time. With Lumio, teachers can quickly turn any page into a group workspace, enabling students to collaborate effectively in small groups.